guys, it's Jeremy Ashburn with senuke.tv, and this is the Web 2.0 Profile Project. Now, the goals of this video are to give you a definition of the Web 2.0 Profile Project, show you how to do the Web 2.0 Profile Project, and give you some tips and tricks at the end. So let's get right into an explanation. The Web 2.0 Profile Project drops links across a variety of forums and profiles out there. And obviously this project is really important because those links are pointing back to your money site for specific keywords. So the more links that point back to your money site for specific keywords, the more your site moves up the rank for those keywords. So that's all a good thing. All good things come to those who wait. So let me give you a quick overview of how it works. Essentially, you enter the URLs, the About Me section, which is optional. You select the sites you want to nuke to, and you hit the Start button or Schedule to start the nuke. And then you'll see results in 2, 4, or 6 weeks as Google indexes those links. So let's take a look at the software. So let's go ahead and get started on the Web 2.0 Profile Project. Now, one thing you might be wondering is what is the difference between the Web 2.0 Profile Project and the Forum Profile Project? The main difference between the Web 2.0 Profile module and the Forum Profile is that the Forum Profile does not use Internet Explorer to submit to the site. So that means that the Forum Profile is at least 5 times faster than this Web 2.0 Profile module. This Web 2.0 Profile module contains high PR Web 2.0 sites that cannot be automated using the technology that the Forum Profile module uses. The page rank of these sites in this module are generally higher than the page rank of the sites in the Forum Profile module. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the Web 2.0 Profile Project. So what you're going to do to start is hit New Web 2.0 Profile Project. Then I can title it and open it. Alright, so let's look at an overview here. This is the About Me section. Here's where you put the URL links. This is where you select or don't select the sites. And here's where you select the profile and the URL list. Alright, so we'll go through each one of these sections here. So if you want to put content in the About Me section, check this box here. Okay, now do yourself a favor and keep links and HTML code out of this. A lot of these sites don't support HTML code in the About Me section, so it can look real messed up. For a lot of these sites, this About Me section will be part of your signature on the profile. Since that signature is only a couple sentences, if you enter a long About Me, it's going to take away valuable space for your links. So keep this to 1 or 2 sentences, or just skip it altogether. Alright, so the next section is the URL box here. What you can do is use URLs from a certain particular list if you want to from the drop down. And you can also use URLs from the last 24, 48, 72 hours, whatever you want to do there. Okay, so if you want to put your own URLs in there, it's really important that you put the URLs in this particular format. Okay, so this is the format you need to follow here. http://www.yoururl.com whatever.tv in this situation, and then you do ## bracket, and then this is spinnable. So I put senukex.tv training videos, vertical bar, senukex videos, vertical bar, senukex videos. So make sure you follow this format or it's not going to work right. Okay, so you can decide to put all your links or just add a certain number of random links. And if you have a whole list here, I'm just going to put the same link over and over again. But if you had multiple links here in the list, it's important to add 3, 4, or 5 random links. Don't do more than that. Okay, if you want to add the last URL, you can do that as well. And what you're going to do here is add spinnable text for assigning the last URL. And if you don't want to add spinnable text here, you can just leave this blank. Okay. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is select the profile that actually has the Web 2.0 profile projects already signed up. So what you can do is select all the profiles here, or if you want to select just specific profiles that are already signed up for the Web 2.0 project, you would just check them here. Now look at this list of sites down here. You can see that some of the sites are gray and some of the sites are black. The ones that are grayed out on this list means that there are no accounts set up for those sites. The ones in black means that they do have accounts set up and created for them. Okay, so next you select the URL list here. And then this option here is the select all option. So selecting this will select all the sites, whether you've signed up for them and they have accounts or not. So at this point I'm ready to go. I'm just going to either hit start or schedule, and obviously if I schedule I can select a certain date here, start after a certain project, or spread submission if I want to. So I'm just going to hit start. Now let's end this video with some tips and tricks at the end. Now once you use a Web 2.0 profile nuke, it's best to quote-unquote throw it away and don't use it again. Create a new Web 2.0 profile and go that way. Don't reuse the same profile over and over again. Also, you can make new profile accounts to create new profile nukes real easily these days with the account creation. So that's this Web 2.0 profile video. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next.